Hello everybody, I'm Trey Melcher. I'm the general manager here at Palm Harbor Homes in Conroe, and I just wanted to tell you about some houses that we have coming offline, ready for move-in, ready for your purchase. You know, one of the biggest struggles we're having right now is people getting homes and still having the ability to get them before Thanksgiving, before Christmas, and other special times before the beginning of the year. Our backlogs are back there, you know, from February, March, even as far as April, depending on the product you choose. We do have homes that are coming offline that are ready for purchase. Homes like the Vintage Farmhouse 2, the Vintage Farmhouse 1. We have the Somerset 3, the Somerset, which is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. We have homes like this, which is the Magnum. This is a 3476. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath with 2 living areas. It's a fantastic home. Take the time to look at the pictures on this thing. We have it here for display right now. We have other homes, single wides, that are available for immediate delivery here. So if you're struggling finding a home that's available for you and your family, you want a home, you just gotta have a house, now's the time to come and see what we have available for you. You can reach us by phone at 936-273-6565 or visit us on the website, which is www.conroe.palmharbor.com. Don't wait any longer. Come and look at the houses that we have now. Come walk some of the inventory. We got a fully staffed office here ready for you, so don't hesitate. Give us a call. Come out and see us.
Palm Harbor Home.